Cloves, those small, aromatic flower buds that are often used in cooking and baking, have been prized for their health benefits for centuries. These tiny powerhouses are packed with nutrients and compounds that can have a positive impact on our overall well-being. One of the most well-known benefits of cloves is their ability to improve digestion. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which has been shown to help reduce gas and bloating, as well as stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. This can help to improve the efficiency of the digestive process and prevent issues such as indigestion and constipation. In addition to aiding digestion, cloves also have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This can be particularly beneficial for those suffering from conditions such as arthritis, as the anti-inflammatory compounds in cloves can help to reduce pain and swelling in the joints. Cloves have also been shown to have a positive impact on respiratory health, thanks to their ability to help clear congestion and reduce inflammation in the airways. Cloves are also a rich source of antioxidants, which are compounds that help to protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and damage to cells, which can lead to a range of health issues, including cancer and heart disease. By consuming cloves regularly, you can help to neutralize free radicals and reduce your risk of developing these serious conditions. Another benefit of cloves is their ability to support oral health. Cloves have long been used in traditional medicine as a natural remedy for toothaches and gum pain, thanks to their numbing and anti-inflammatory properties. Clove oil is often used in dental products such as toothpaste and mouthwash, as it can help to reduce pain and inflammation in the mouth and promote overall oral health. Cloves have also been shown to have antimicrobial properties, which means they can help to fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. This can be particularly beneficial during cold and flu season, as cloves can help to boost the immune system and reduce the severity and duration of illness. Cloves have also been shown to have antifungal properties, which can help to prevent and treat fungal infections such as athlete's foot and ringworm. In addition to their physical health benefits, cloves have also been shown to have a positive impact on mental health. The aroma of cloves has been found to have a calming effect on the mind, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. Cloves have also been shown to have antidepressant properties, thanks to their ability to increase levels of serotonin and dopamine in the brain. This can help to improve mood and overall mental well-being. Cloves are incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. You can add whole cloves to soups, stews, and marinades for a burst of flavor, or grind them up and use them in spice blends and rubs. Clove oil can also be used topically to help relieve pain and inflammation, or added to a diffuser to help promote relaxation and reduce stress. While cloves are generally safe for most people to consume, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before adding any new supplement to your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication. With their wide range of health benefits and delicious flavor, cloves are a simple and effective way to support your overall health and well-being. So why not start incorporating this powerful spice into your daily routine today?